Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to multiply any 2-digit by 2-digit number or 3-digit by 2-digit number just in 2 to 3 seconds. So if you multiply 13 times 21 or 321 times 13 or 14 times 23 just in few seconds. This method is originated from Japan. So we are going to learn actually how this method works. So they are just replacing the number with the lines. So let us say if I have a number 1, we are going to replace this 1 with one line. If you go to number 2, we are going to replace 2 with 2 parallel lines. So that's what we are going to do. Let's take an example, guys, so you understand actually how does it work. Let us say if I want to multiply 13 times 21. I'll be just focusing on the first number like 13. In the first 13, my first digit is 1. Because my first digit is 1, I'm going to make one line like this. My second number is 3. Because the number is 3, I'll leave some space in the middle and I'll be making 3 parallel lines like that. Now I'll go to the next number. My next number is 21 and the first number is 2. Because it's 2, I'll be drawing 2 lines like that. And the last number is 1. Because there's one number, I'll leave some space and I'll just draw one line like this. Now, if you want to see, guys, that's just dividing into different regions, guys. So let us say if I can see different zones. Okay, this is my zone number 1. This is all together my zone number 2, and this is all together my zone number 3. Now what we are going to do is from the right zone we are going to count the dots, guys. So can you see like 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 dots, so I can put down 3. In the second zone all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that's going to be 7. And in the first zone there's a 1 and 2 dots, so 2. So 2, 7, 3. So the answer of this is 273. In the starting it takes a bit of a time to understand, but once you understand, guys, it's just pretty easy to work out and pretty fast as well. Let's do the second example to get like a bit more idea about the same. My first number is 32 and first digit is 3. So I'll be making 1, 2 and 3 lines. My second number is 2. I'll leave some space in the middle and I'll draw 2 parallel lines like that. In the second number, I got a 1 as the first number. So I'll draw one line like this. I will leave some space. My second number is 2. So I'll be making 2 lines like that. Now, as you know, guys, I'm going to just change the color so you can see that more better. So we can see in my last zone, I got 1, 2, 3, and 4 dots. So I'm going to put down number 4. Here I can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. So that's number 8. And in the first one, 1, 2, and 3. So that's number 3. So 384. So my answer is 384. Isn't that cool, guys? Yeah. So once you practice, guys, it's really cool. Amazing Japanese way of multiplying the numbers, guys. Let's do the another number here. This is a little bit more challenging because you can see like more lines will be involved into that. So 14 times 23. So first number is 1. So I can draw one line, no problem in there. Now the next number is 4, guys. So a little bit of a space and then I got to make 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines like that. Now in the next number 23, my first digit is 2. So I'll be making 2 lines and then 3. And then I'm pretty much done here. And now I can just change the color and I can count the dots. Here there is one more things that we'll be learning, guys. Yeah. So let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, guys. but I cannot have a two-digit number. So whenever there is a two-digit number, 2 will stay here, and then 1, I'm going to take it as a carry to the next. So in the next one, I'll be doing like whatever the number comes, like 1 plus. Now I'll be counting the second region. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 plus 11, which is coming 12. Again, because it is a two-digit number, I can hold only one last digit, which is 2. I'll take the 1 off, and I'll take that as a carry here. And I can see 1 and 2. So that's 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So I can see this is 3, 2, and 2. So my answer is 322, guys. Is it not amazing? Yeah. Now, I believe you get the hang of this method. So we can do a bit more challenging question right here, which is 3 digit by 2 digits. So that's going to be more fun, guys. My first number, 321, first digit is 3. So I'll be making 3 parallel lines like that. I'll leave some space. My second digit is 2. So I'm making 2 lines. My last digit is 1. I'll be making 1 line. So no change, guys. The same kind of a process. Yeah. Second number is 13. First digit is 1. We're going to just make 1 line. And the second digit is 3. So I'll be making 3 lines like that. Now here, whenever we are dividing into the regions, guys, we got to understand this is going to be my first one region, and this is going to be my second region, and this is going to be my third region, and this is going to be my fourth region. So when there are 3 by 2, we divide into this kind of a 4 region, and now we can follow the same process. 1, 2, 3 dots, so that number is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That number is 7, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that number is 11. And as we know now, when this is a two-digit number, the last digit stays and that number goes as a carry to the next number. And this is 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 3, which is going to be 4. So my answer is 4, 1, 7, 3. So 4, 1, 7, 3 is my answer. Guys, if you really practice this a bit, this is really amazing and cool technique of multiplying any 2 by 2, 3 by 2. Even if you practice, you can do like 3 by 3 as well. Yeah. So yeah, I believe you enjoy this trick. And if you really like it, subscribe to the channel for more such cool videos. And bye for now. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.